There is no doubt about it that cake is one of the best desserts out there. There are so many amazing flavor combinations. This delicious cake from scratch with pudding mix is a recipe you want to keep on hand. To add flavor, texture, and moisture to your cake recipes, you can use pudding mix. Using pudding mix in your cake recipes adds flavor, texture, and moisture. Adding pudding mix makes the cake more stable and firmer, which is ideal for decorating. In addition, it also allows the cake to stay fresher for longer. This recipe does require some baking experience, but the result is well worth the work. The flavor is irresistible and the texture is delectable. It is a great cake to make for parties or any formal events, as your guests are guaranteed to love it. What you will need. Ingredients: 3½ cups cake flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 cups sugar, 1 package instant vanilla pudding, 6 tablespoons butter, softened, 6 tablespoons butter flavor shortening, 1½ cups milk, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 4 eggs, ½ cup sour cream. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease the pan and sprinkle with sugar. Step 2. With a stand mixer, cream the butter, shortening, sugar, and pudding. Combine until fully mixed and smooth. Step 3. One at a time, add the eggs into the creamed mixture. Beat the mix together until fully combined. Step 4. Add the sour cream and vanilla into the mix. Mix until fully combined. Sift the flour, baking powder, and salt together. This will get rid of any lumps and allow for a smooth texture. Step 5. Add the sifted ingredients into the wet ingredients, alternating adding the sifted ingredients and milk to the wet ingredients. Do this until fully mixed. Step 6. Once all the ingredients are fully combined, add the cake mix into the pan. Spread the cake until it is even in the pan. Step 7. In the preheated oven, bake the cake for 40 to 50 minutes. To check to see if the cake is done, use a toothpick. If it comes out clean, the cake is done. If there is batter or crumbs stuck on it, then the cake needs more time. Allow the cake to fully cool on a wire rack. Decorate with frosting if desired. Store cake in an airtight container at room temperature if not frosted, and in the fridge if frosted. Tips and tricks. This classic yellow cake goes great with chocolate, vanilla, or cream cheese frosting. You can even get more creative and use a strawberry, raspberry, or any fruit flavor frosting. It is a great base for many flavor combinations. If you are wanting to make a white cake with this recipe, simply substitute the 4 eggs out for 4 eggs white. You can also make a chocolate version by using a chocolate pudding and 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. If you don't have any shortening, you can substitute it out for vegetable oil. In addition, you can also substitute all-purpose flour for cake flour. Simply add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour to equal 1 cup of cake flour substitute. You can also use this recipe to make cupcakes if you wish. The recipe will make 24 cupcakes, which will bake for approximately 18 to 20 minutes. Alternatively, this recipe will also make 2 9-inch round cakes, which will bake for 30 to 40 minutes. A frosted cake can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. Best, allow the cake to reach room temperature before serving. Unfrosted cakes can also be frozen. Simply wrap the cake in plastic wrap, then aluminum foil, and freeze for up to 6 months. Allow the cake to thaw in the fridge overnight, or at room temperature for 2 hours. A pudding mix is a great way to improve a cake's flavor, texture, and freshness. It is a simple way to take your cake to the next level. Your cake will taste as if it came straight from a bakery. Did you enjoy this recipe? If so, please add your thoughts in the comments down below and share this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.